representing the grade 5C. Thank you and mabuhay. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Geneva Joy Marcos, 9 na taong gulang mula sa ika-4 na baitang. Thank you and mabuhay. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Clarence Nida Jasa. I am 10 years old, representing the grade 5B under Mrs. Norma A. Hilario. Good afternoon everybody. My name is Miss Micaela Ella Aquino, representing grade 5B. Thank you and mabuhay. Good afternoon to everyone. There's a saying that anybody can win unless there happens is to be second entry. This is Shane Ashley Elvinito representing grade 6A. Thank you and mabuhay! In our program there is always a solution. Good afternoon. Sunny and Sunday Blues by Johnny Grilla Bosma. 5 verses 8. Presenting grade 6A. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jennifer Cyprus Palimet. I'm 11 years old. Representing grade 6B under my advisor, Mrs. B.R.B. Balisacan. Thank you and mabuhay. For you to become effective and efficient, you must be different. Ang glorious afternoon sa inyo and everyone. My name is Desiree Bianquilo, 10 years old, representing grade 5A. Good afternoon to everybody. My name is Melina Piraneres. I'm 10 years old, representing grade 5B. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's the lovely candidate, number 15. Good afternoon and mabuhay. My name is Manilyn Revit Caneda, grade 5B. My name, I am 12 years old. Hello friends! Oops! Mga Latino! Paano dito po ibo? Represent ang rito from grade 3A. Naniniwala ko sa kapalihan na wala sa patantaran o pagsigan ang labanan. Nasa papugihan. Itakit! Po si Alex Jordan Ryan Will, 9 na taong gulang, grade 3B, and mabuhay! Participating in sports to avoid getting into drugs. My name is Lemon Archak. I am 9 years old, representing grade 4A. If you have it, share it and be proud of it. This is Kimi Biagi Director, 11 years old, representing grade 6A. Good afternoon. Thank you. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Steven D. Ramos. Ako ay sa grade 3A. Ako ay 7 na taong gulang na. Thank you at mabuhay!
Yan po, napakinggan po natin ang kanilang introduction about sa kanilang mga sarili. Kaya, once again, palakpakan po natin sila. And now, we will announce the first set of our minor award. First is best in winsome smile. Yung may napakagandang ngiti. Ayan, tingnan natin yung ngiti niya. Ayan, pwede kayong maging model ng toothbrush, hindi, toothpaste. Ayan. Invento kayo ng toothpaste. Baka nandyan yung ano ng mga maksam, mga ganon, na toothpaste. And, ayan mga maksam, ano yung mga toothpaste na yan. Okay. Ayan. And to clean their staff, maybe call their advisor or parents, guardian, if they are around. Our best winsome smile. Boys, lalaki po tayo. Sige nga, smile kayo. Best smile goes to tan-tan-tan. Boys, we have candidate number 4. And there's a smile sa mga babae. Yes, we have candidate number 13.
Yes!
Tinatawagan po ng kanilang tagapayo advisor na mangyaring umakyat po at pakipin po yung kanilang mga class. Name ko lang their proud parents. Ayan. Namumuno po ang mga anong grade ito? Grade 6, si Sesame grade 5. Name ko lang Madam Angie Cabigas and the proud parent of Sesame and Madam Aileen together with Ate Aileen. Ayan, palakpak naman po dyan. Pakita nyo yung smile nyo. Sa smile pa lang, nakaka-activate na po sila. Thank you, Kenway, number 4 and 13. Pakinig kayo, pakinig. Doon kayo, doon muna kayo. Doon muna. Makasama kayo, doon. Team, doon. Ayan, sabihan mo si Sesame. And our best in Castlewear. Sa lalaki po, boys, we have candidate number 3. Your next band. And Castlewear sa babae, we have candidate number 6. Dinika Joy Marcos. Ayan, Miri Colander. Proud parents, and of course, their advisors. Sa advisor po, hi, Madam Marifi. Ayan, Marifi Cortez. Miri Colander, the proud parents of Geneva and Manuel. Punta po kayo dito. Isa yung papa po ni Manuel. At yung tita po ni Geneva. Ayan yung tito po niya. Mr. Keith.